Your brand loves being part of the headlines. It wants to be known and to stand out, which is why you go through the effort of finding ways to give your product the buzz it deserves. You want to create noise for consumers to take notice of your product. But what if your platform choice will not give you the reach that an on-air campaign can provide? We know on-air advertising can be a bit intimidating because of the presumed high cost. But here in TV5, we have found ways to provide your brand value for money advertising. Your product will achieve greater reach without the burdening cost. So, if it's awareness your brand is after, here are 5 inexpensive and convenient ways to advertise with us. Let your brand pop out with the animated brand bug. Your logo can morph into what your product wishes to highlight, like pricing or tagline, as it pops up at the beginning and the end of a program body. This will definitely get the consumer's attention while they're watching their favorite TV shows. Want to say more? Go for the lower screen graphics. Choose a show where you would love to showcase more than just your logo, then have a short brand message conveyed appearing within the body of a program so viewers are sure to catch it. Allow us to lend or associate our programs with your brand through the branded program menu. We can showcase your brand, even use your brand colors and other elements that are reminiscent of your product as we remind our viewers of our program lineup for the day. See, this is quite a treat. Your brand gets identified with a number of shows in just one plug. Want to be associated with our Kapatid stars? Our product mention will do that for you. Watch your brand rise to stardom as it gets included in a scene of your chosen TV5 program. Let your product have its moment on the set or stand in as a background in a segment or scene of a certain TV show. But if you really want a unique and highly intrusive means of getting noticed by viewers, you must avail of virtual ads. Have an animated 3D visual of your brand appear in an actual scene as if your product were really there. This brings brand exposure to a whole different level of awesomeness. Imagine the kind of awareness these creative executions can deliver for your brands. And even going beyond awareness, they are efficient and instantaneous to implement. Find effective, creative marketing solutions to level up your brand awareness campaigns, only with TV5.